Good luck. Box 5. Monroe, Pennsylvania. WGS, West North Pennsylvania, Hot North Pennsylvania. This is the heavy. No, maybe not. I'm 5 wrong. No, most of them do. My scale's off today. Yeah, come on. No chance. Completely normal. Alright, we got Jerome Bettis to 250 for the Steelers. Santana Moss Redskins. Jay Cutler Bears. I don't know how many damn Jay Cutler base cards we got yet, but it's a lot. Tim Tebow Broncos. Rob Gronkowski Patriots. And here's the first hit. It's a 49ers Jerry. No. Vernon Davis. Throwing everybody out there tonight. 7 of 10. Nice red one, number to 10. Vernon Davis. I'm trying to make you believe. We got a triple right here. Triple. There you go. Mark Sanchez. Alex Smith. And Tim Tebow. Jets, 49ers, and Broncos. We got Joe Namath, Joe Montana, and John Elway. Pretty nice. 12 out of 27. That's a Namath jersey number, yeah? 12. 12 of 27. That'll be a random. Pretty nice one. Super Bowl MVP quarterbacks. Oop. Oh, never mind. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Oop, oop. Normal. Ocho Stinko, number to 250 for the Patriots. Percy Harvin Vikings. Santonio Holmes Jets. Nnamdi Asomugha Eagles. Joe Namath Jets. We got Broncos. Champ Bailey, numbered out of 27, 9 of 27. Sepia jersey. Champ, and here's our rookie card autograph. Good luck. Stevan Ridley for the Patriots, number to 99, triple jersey auto. Stevan Ridley, 76 and 99. We got his Unity auto also in the same case. That's box 5. Peace.